Welcome back. Today I'm gonna try to make the intake manifold a bit better, a bit nicer. So, yeah. Right. First try to clean it. Yeah. It cleaned out pretty good. So now I don't like the casting residue different places here. So I will grind them down, I think, and then paint it. Right, now I have smoothed the casting a bit, made it nicer, I hope, just for fun. So now it's ready for paint. Now I have cleaned off these two. So now I'm going to do the same as I did with the other piece. I will grind them down and try to make them pretty. And yeah, paint them too. This one first. And try to get rid of that bump and numbers and make it smooth, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. All right. Yeah. Sweet. That went well. Yeah. Halfway. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Over to the next one. Now they are ready for paint. I think they turned out pretty good. So now they are painted. Look like bananas. So yeah, sweet. And I painted a fan shroud also, so everything can get done, I hope. Yeah, bananas done. Right, so now the paint is dry. So now I'm gonna put on new boots and new boot claps. So this will be nice. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I think this will be nice. Now to the carburetor. See you soon.